A megalith is a big stone, and this is a huge stone. This is the menhir of Meada. They say it's the tallest menhir in Iberia. Let's explore it. The menhir of Meada is in the Alto or Upper Alentejo, near the Spanish border. It's in the municipality of Castelo-David. Castelo-David is the capital of a municipality on the edge of Portugal. It's got dozens of prehistoric sites around the municipality, but the town itself is very historic. The castle dates back to the 1300s. And there's a rich history here in this town. About 12 kilometers north of the town of Castelo-David, the Menhir de Meada stands in a field. It's on a gentle slope facing east. It's easy to find the menhir, just follow the signs. Notice that the official road signs use a dolmen or anta symbol. That's the standard symbol for archaeological sites. When you reach the site, you'll see the menhir, or obelisk, standing alone in a pasture with parking and picnic tables all around. The Menhir de Meada is enormous. It's well over 7 meters tall and has a maximum diameter of more than a meter. It weighs around 18 tons. It is the tallest standing stone in Iberia. The menhir was first discovered in the modern era in 1965. At that time, it was broken and fallen. In 1993, it was excavated and restored under the direction of archaeologist Jorge de Oliveira. He's literally written the book on the menhir, with loads of detailed information and photographs. Even if you don't read Portuguese, it's well worth looking at the book to see the photographs of how the menhir was repaired and re-erected. During the excavation, radiocarbon dating was done on charcoal collected from the socket below the base. This showed that the menhir was erected between 5000 and 4800 BC. This is the oldest radiocarbon dating for menhirs anywhere in the world. This dating was confirmed with similar tests done on other menhirs nearby. This means that 7,000 years ago, people were starting to raise these huge blocks of granite all around Portugal and Iberia. They may have been fertility symbols, perhaps related to the beginning of cultivation of the land. Did these phallic stones symbolize their people's hopes for fertile crops? We may never know for sure, but it seems likely. There are, or were, menhirs all around Portugal, but the construction of menhirs, as well as cromlechs, stopped later on when the construction of antas became more common. Many menhirs were intentionally pulled over, with some repurposed as part of the antas. Was the menhir of Meada intentionally toppled and broken during this time period? It's hard to know for sure, but it seems likely. In 2013, the menhir of Meada was declared a national monument. Having been restored, it now stands proudly over the hills of the Upper Alentejo, reminding us of the enormous depth of time that people have lived here and cultivated the Portuguese countryside. I hope you've enjoyed this visit to the Menhir de Meada. If you want to know more about it, check out the links down below. I've got lots of information about it and other prehistoric sites on my website, prehistoricportugal.com. Do leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts about menhirs and what their purpose might have been. Make sure you're subscribed. I'm going to be visiting lots more prehistoric sites all around the country, menhirs and more. Thanks for watching.